Most people use ChatGPT like a smarter Google. A few people use it like a personal assistant. But there's a small group using it like an operating system for thinking, decision-making, and power. And once you see how they use it, you can't go back. Right now, you think you're using AI, but in reality, you're barely scratching the surface. Because ChatGPT has a hidden limitation, it forgets everything. Every new chat, you start from zero. No memory, no context, no evolution. So you stay stuck, asking better questions, maybe, but never becoming more powerful. This reminded me of something deeply personal. My grandfather had late-stage Alzheimer's. Every few minutes, he would look at my grandmother, the woman he loved for 60 years, and ask, "Who are you?" That's exactly how ChatGPT works by default. It doesn't remember you, unless you build a system. The people winning with AI are not asking better prompts. They are building structures around AI. They don't use ChatGPT as a tool. They use it as memory, workforce, component, teacher, mirror. Let me show you how. Framework. Strategy 1. The clone. Stop starting from zero. Use this three-step system, ESP. Extract, talk freely. Dump your thinking. No filters. Synthesize. Turn that into a profile, how you think, decide, and operate. Project. Store it. Build context. Separate domains. Now, ChatGPT doesn't feel like a chatbot anymore. It feels like a second brain. Strategy 2. The swarm. Your brain can do one thing at a time. AI doesn't have that limit, so stop using it like a single assistant. Use it like a team. One AI research, one AI analysis, one AI execution. Instead of, find me one lead, you say, find 50, rank them, verify them, and then you walk away. This is where the game changes. You stop working with AI and start deploying it. Strategy 3. The devil's advocate. Here's a dangerous truth. You are blind to your own bad ideas. Not because you're not smart, but because you're human. This is called the IKEA effect. You love what you build. So instead of asking AI, what do you think? Ask, destroy this idea. Act like my competitor. Find what I'm missing. Now AI becomes uncomfortable. And that's exactly what you need. Because growth doesn't come from validation. It comes from friction. Strategy 4. The neural link. Most people use AI to sound smart. Very few use it to become smart. There's a difference. Use these. 1. Jargon. Translator, turn complex ideas into your language. 2. Progressive learning. Explain like I'm 5 kappa 1 5 ka expert. 3. Teach back method. Learn my. Explain. Get corrected. Now you're not copying knowledge, you're installing it. Strategy 5. The executive coach. This is the most underrated one. Because it's not about productivity, it's about clarity. When your mind is messy, AI becomes your mirror. Use it in 3 ways. Chaos dump, organize your thoughts, reframe pain, turn loss into direction. Decision, dialogue. Think out loud. You're not asking AI for answers. You're using it to hear your own thinking clearly. Example is real. World Shift, a CTO reviewed 300 pages of technical documents in one afternoon, not because he worked faster, but because he used AI like a team of analysts. That's the shift. You're no longer paid for effort. You're paid for judgment, dazed, direction. If you remember nothing else, remember this. AI will not replace you, but someone using AI correctly will. So stop asking, what can ChatGPT do? Start asking, what role should it play in my life? Because the people who win aren't the ones using AI more. they're the ones using it differently. For years, we tried to become machines. Productive, efficient, optimized. But now, the machines are here, and maybe that's not a threat. Maybe it's a release. A chance to stop competing with machines and start becoming more human again. Because in the end, your real edge won't be intelligence. It will be judgment, creativity, emotion, and AI might just be the thing that brings you back to that.